Hello friends, this is another video from Bioconcepts. This video is based on biodiversity chapter. Here I mention the information which may help you to easily understand and answer the question in your exam. So today's video is about biodiversity and its importance. So let's begin with its definition. Biodiversity. What is mean by biodiversity? So biological diversity, which means the variability among living organisms from all sources, which includes terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic systems, and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. This includes diversity within a species, between species, and the ecosystem. Now we say biodiversity is important as. Now why it is important? Here the answer. It not only maintains the functional environment, but it is a resource for food, shelter, clothing, and other materials. The economy relies on biodiversity since it provides a renewable resource, economic resources, and ecosystems resources, medical and scientific benefit, and it is a priceless in terms of culture and aesthetic values. So biodiversity is important in economic, ecosystem services, medical and scientific studies, and conservation. We are going to see each and every category in detail. So first one is economic. Biodiversity provides humans with the raw materials for consumption and production. Many livelihoods, such as those of farmers, fisher, and timber workers, are dependent on biodiversity. They earn from this. So, biodiversity is important in economic way for them. Next is the ecosystem services. The variety of ecosystem services which are critical to human survival and economy, different organisms are responsible for controlling invasive, which means harmful, and pest species, maintaining soil fertility, pollinating, and thereby maintaining diverse vegetation, purifying air and water, detoxifying and decomposing waste, and regulating climate. These ecosystem services are complex natural processes that are interrelated in the ways they are not completely understood. So therefore the impact of losing any one of these processes on our economy is unknown. So we can't do anything without them. So ecosystem services are important for biodiversity. Next one is medical and scientific studies. Since most pharmaceutical drugs are derived either directly or indirectly from wild species, mainly from plants. However, only about 2% of flowering plants in the world have been studied for their potential pharmacological properties. New discoveries are often in unexpected areas are ongoing. So the medical properties of biodiversity are important for human health as well as the scientific research and the economy too. The next and last one is conservation. So the study of biodiversity helps to be aware of problems and maintain the ecosystem and the environment. Unfortunately, the benefits from the economic goods, ecosystem services, and social values are in jeopardy because biodiversity is declining. This, although the species extinction is a natural process, human consumption of natural resources has accelerated the rate of extinction of species to more than 1,000 times greater than the known background rates. To help and conserve such a species, it is important to study the biodiversity. Thank you for watching videos. Like, share and subscribe. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.